Umar Makina presents the Max Series can body assembly line, a high-tech modular system for angular and irregular cans. This fully automatic line unites all forming operations in one compact machine, expanding, paneling, necking, flanging, and seaming. It adapts precisely for open-top or double-seam bodies, straight or conical shapes, and even custom cans. Its space-saving design fits high-output factories, while the modular architecture allows extra stations as needed. Operators manage easily via a 15-inch touchscreen with recipe-based changeovers and automatic servo-driven height adjustment. The PLC-based control system offers full access and diagnostics. Production can be monitored remotely from smart devices, with online service and software updates ensuring peak performance. Industry 4.0 compatibility makes it ready for smart factory integration. Optional stations boost flexibility, second welding line for complex seams, conical shaping head for stackable forms, automatic four-corner expansion, corner embossing for rigidity, internal/external paneling with depth control, anti-cut necking profiles, and lid-feeding conveyor for smooth flow. Built on a solid automation platform with commercial-grade components, the Max Series is designed for continuous operation, easy maintenance, and long-term reliability. For can makers demanding flexibility, precision, and durability in shaping angular bodies, the Umar Max Series body assembly line is the solution.